Hey everyone, it's Erica. I am back with another video. Today we are going to be retooling and redesigning a friend of mine's landscape. Her and her husband's son is getting ready to graduate this in a couple weeks. And so they're having his open house and wanted me to come in and make their landscape a lot more welcoming. And so, what we're going to be doing today is focusing on shrubs that give color and year round interest. They're not gardeners at all. And we want it to be low maintenance, easy care, colorful. And I want you to come along with me. We're in Southeast Michigan today. I just pulled into a garden center called Farmer John's. They have a great selection of trees, shrubs, annuals, perennials, all the things. And I'm hoping that they are able to provide me for what I need. Their property is north facing, and so it gets quite a bit of shade. So we want to make sure that we follow those sun conditions and get the best landscape that we can. All right, come along with me. All right, you guys, so we are back at the house now. We had to go to two different nurseries. The one nursery, they had a lot of stuff, but not the varieties that I needed. And so we called another nursery to see if they had something available that would work for the space, and they did, so we ran over there. So I just wanted to go over the varieties that we have while my husband starts on clearing out the landscape for us. So the first thing that we have is the Kodiak Orange Dervilla. It is by Proven Winners. It gets about 2 to 3 feet tall and about 3 to 4 feet wide. It does bloom, but they're insignificant blooms. And then it gets a nice, pretty fall color, um, red in the fall. So this would be nice. We have three of those, or four of those actually. Next, we have the Winter Gem boxwood that gets 4 by 4. Just a classic boxwood there. And that'll go in the back as a foundation. We have three of those. For some color, we have the Great Soda Coral Bell. I thought this was a beautiful red. It gets 16 to 20 inches wide and 12 to 16 inches tall, and it's a hardy in zones 4 to 9. We have 5 of those. And then for a grassy texture in a yellow, we have the all gold Japanese forest grass that gets 18 to 24 inches wide, 14 to 18 inches tall, hardy in zones 5 to 9. Nice bright pop of yellow for the landscape. I think that'll be really pretty. And as an alternative to the heuchera, I did pick up this Fun and Games Hopscotch Heucherella by Proven Winners. This gets 10 to 12 inches tall, and spacing is about 20 to 24 inches. Hardy in zones 4 to 9. I thought that was really pretty. All right, you guys. And so after a few hours of work, hard labor, we are out here. Everything is in, looking beautiful. My friend said she loves it. She didn't want to be in the video, y'all, and that's all right. But she says she loves it. She feels like it's a fresh start for her and her family. So it is looking awesome. Loving the boxwoods and the Kodiak Orange Dervilla. This is the Grape Soda Heuchera and the All Gold Pecana Cloa. You guys, I'm just so pleased with how everything looks. Just neat and fresh and ready for her open house for her son. I want to thank y'all for sticking with me. This is Erica with So Hardy Garden, and I hope you can sow into someone else's life or garden today. Bye-bye.